Hello friends, have a great day today. Today we are going to see how you can build your homepage of your website using Elementor. Elementor is a page builder where you can design your homepage just by dragging and drop the elements. Okay, there is no coding or prior experience is required to design your homepage. So let us before getting into the session, just I want to give my introduction about me. I am Shobna Devi, a digital automation specialist, a web developer, and a founder of Automated Business. I am on a mission to help 1 million entrepreneurs to build and automate their online business in an easy way. Okay, so let us get into the topic now. So today we are going to design a homepage exactly like this. Okay, I am going to teach you how you can design a basic homepage by using drag and drop. Okay, this is the exact example. So what we are going to do, what we are going to design today. Okay, let us start. So we have to go to the back end of the WordPress. To go to the back end of the WordPress, okay, enter your domain name /wp-admin. This was the basic URL, default URL of the WordPress to log in into the backend of your WordPress. Okay. Type your username and password. It will take you to the dashboard of the WordPress. Okay. Before designing your page, what we have to do is we have to create the page, create the homepage, right? For that, what you have to do, the left hand side, you can see a menu called pages. Okay. Over the pages. So click add new. Give the title of your page. So this page title will be the URL of your page. Okay. So since I am giving you a demo, so I am giving the name as like demo page. Okay. Then publish. Again, click publish. Now the page is published. Okay. So the next step is what we are going to do is can you see the edit with the Elementor button? So this button will be shown only if you have installed the Elementor plugin. Install the Elementor free plugin and you can make use of it. Okay. Click edit with Elementor. It will take you to the Elementor page builder. Okay. By default, it will take the theme header and footer. Before start designing the web page, you must know the reason behind why the home page is playing a main important role in every website. Why it is because the home page tells about the whole information about entire information about your website. Okay, so that's why the home page of the every website plays an important role. Okay, so in our homepage, we are going to show a banner, how you can show your testimonials, how you can show your video with some content about your video content. Okay, and then how you can place your maps. Okay, so let us start from the banner. So this is the right hand side is the workspace area where you can look and feel of the design of the homepage. The left hand side is then Elementor area where all the elements is listed in the left hand side. Okay, this is the Elementor panel, and the right hand side is the workspace where you can look and feel the design of your page. Okay, so every page was divided into a section. Okay, each section can be divided into columns. I will tell you how you can create a section and also the column. Okay, by using the section and columns, we are going to design the home page. Right? Can you see the plus button? Click the plus button. These are the sections with columns. Okay, this is a single column with one section. This is a section with two columns. This is a section with three columns. This is a section with four. And also here you can find the different designs of each section here. Okay, now we are going to insert a single section because we are going to insert the banner. Okay, click this section. Can you see the white blue color border is the section? Okay, why if you click that, it automatically takes you to the left hand side edit portion of that section. Okay, here now we are going to give a background image for this section. So how we can do that? Go to the style. In each element you can see three areas. One is layout, style, and advanced. Okay, so by using this we are going to edit our each section and column. Okay, so to insert the design the background of the session, what you have to do is go to the style. So under the style you can see the background option. Okay, here can you see the paintbrush option? Click the paintbrush option. You can see the image. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to insert the background cover image first. Okay, so click the image. You can see the upload files. Select file. You can choose any of the background. Okay, you can choose this background. Insert media. Now you can see the image was in the background of the session, but it is not little bit clear. So to make it increase, we have to increase the height of the section. So how we can do that? Go to the layout. Under this layout, you can see the height option. Click the drop down. Click minimum height. Now the minimum height for this banner was set. Okay, even though the image is not viewed fully, so if I want to make the image to cover the full section, so what you have to do, you have to go to the style. Okay, here you can see the size. Click cover. Okay, now the full image was covered in the background. Okay, background of the session. Okay, so if you want to give the overlay color for this session, what you want to do is click the background overlay. If you want to give the gradient, you can choose this. Click the color. This is the first color and location. This is the second color and the location. Here you have to choose. If you want to give the gradient color, you have to choose this option. Okay, so you can pick the color by just sliding this color option. Okay, blue, and here I'm going to choose the pink. If you want to change to radial, it will be a radial background. You can choose any other option. So I'm going to use linear. Now the background was set. Background of the banner is set. Okay. The next step is we have to insert the heading. Okay. How you will do that? Can you see these three dots in the top corner? Can you? So click the top, the three dots. Okay. So it will take you to the elements area again. Here, if you want to insert the heading, can you see the heading option? Just click and drag and drop the heading. Make it a center. Here you can give the heading, main heading. Here you can give the main heading of your product, services, or something which is going to tell about your business. Okay, or if you are a freelancer, you can give the appropriate name of your what services you are giving, right? For example, I am taking a webinar for this website, how to build your portfolio websites. So, okay, so if that was my focus and intention to promote to the users in the homepage. So what can I do is I can give that particular, so I can give that name. Just type the heading name. So I am going to give the heading name as like build your portfolio website. Build your portfolio website. Okay, build your portfolio website. So I make it a center. Right, if I want to change the color, what I have to do, go to the style. Okay, click this text color, select the color you want to show here. I'm choosing white. I'm choosing white. Okay. So I want to insert another heading. So for that, what I want to do, I don't want to go and again go to the Elementor area, and I don't want to drag and drop. The easiest way you can do is like just right click on the pencil editor. Can you see the duplicate option? Click duplicate. Okay, now it is duplicated. So using WordPress. Okay. Build your portfolio website using WordPress. So if you want to change the style and font style of this heading, can you see the typography option and under the style? Click the pencil editor. You can choose the font family, whatever font family you want. Now it is in Roboto. You can go for Montserrat. You can choose the Montserrat. Okay, and you can increase the font size 56, 58. Okay, it will make the users to focus on our heading. Okay, if you want to apply the same style to the below heading also, the easiest way you can do is just right click. What do you have to do? Not duplicate. What do you have to do? You have to copy, and you have to apply the style over here, right? So right click on the pencil editor, paste style. Okay, now we have designed the headline. Okay, so now what we want to do is we have to insert the button. How you can do it? Can you see the button option in the left hand side? Just click the element, drag and drop in the area. Okay, so here you please notice one thing. You can see the horizontal blue color line. Okay, it says that where we are placing our element. Okay, if you move up, can you see the horizontal line also is moving up, right? By notifying this, so you can identify where we are placing our elements. Right now I am going to place the element below the heading. Okay, now the button is placed. So you can change the text option is like enroll now. Okay, so make it a center. So go to the style button. So what we are going to do, we are going to change the color and the font. Okay, to change the font family, click the typography, pencil editor. It is in Roboto. So again, I am going to use the Montserrat font family. Okay, so you can make the enroll now button in pixels. Right, I make it as 30 pixels. To change the color of the button, simply slide choose what color you want. Most probably they will be choosing orange, green or red. Blue color also will be used. It depends upon the call to actions you are going to place. Okay, so here we can prefer green color itself. Okay, this green color is okay. I want to make the button little bit curved. Okay, how you can do this? Can you see the option is like border radius? Okay, enter 10. Can you see the curve? You can see the curve of each corner of the button, right? If you want to more curve was like oval shape, you can increase the pixels. If we increase the pixels to 50, so you can see the oval shape of the button. Okay, so I like to give only 20, not 10. Okay, this is okay. So I want to change this button a little bit big. Here under the content option, you can see the size is small. If I increase to medium, it accordingly it also the button is also enlarged. Okay, so here you can use a medium. If you want to make the bold of this button text, go to the style, click typography. Can you see the weight option? So increase the weight. Okay, 700 is okay, right? Now we have completed the banner. So in the banner, what we have done, we have placed the two headings and call to action button, right? I think you are clear up to this. Okay. How we can give the link to the button is go to the content. Can you see the option of link? Here you can copy paste your payment link or your Google form or which page you want to redirect the users. That page link you can copy paste the link over here. Okay. Okay. The next thing is we are going to see how you can insert a video and a content. For this, we are going to insert two columns in a section. How we will do that? So can you click this plus button? Yes. Can you see the options? In the first itself, we have seen we can select any of the sessions according to our content, right? Now we are going to insert one video in left hand side and the right hand side content or a particular about the video. So I'm going to choose this option. If you click this section, two column section, it automatically it will be inserted, right? Can you see the two columns with the single session was inserted in the workspace, right? Now, in this first column, the left hand side, you click the plus button, it will take you to the elements area. Here we have to drag and drop what element? A video element, because we are going to insert the video, right? Click the video, drop the video, that's it. What is the next part? We have to select the medium or source of our video link. If you have recorded your sessions and uploaded in YouTube, you can select the YouTube. Otherwise, you can select the option in which source you are using. Okay, if you are having your video content in Vimeo, you can use the Vimeo. Or if you are self-hosted, normally I won't suggest the self-hosted. What is self-hosted is like you can upload the video file directly into your server. So it may take some time, depends upon your server. The load of your video will be slow. Okay, instead of that, you can choose any one of the sources, YouTube, Vimeo, or Dailymotion. So you choose any one of this source. It is free. So you can upload the free sources YouTube. I think the Vimeo, you can use a trial version. Okay, in YouTube, you just upload your video, click the share button in the video, copy the link and paste it over here. That's all. Okay, and this finished. Now we have placed the video, right? In the right hand side, the same thing what we have did in the banner heading, the same thing we are going to do here also. We click the plus button, it will take you to the elements area. What we have to do, drag and drop the heading, right? So we have inserted the heading. You can align the heading by using this alignment option. So I'm going to make it as center, and if you want to give any subheadings, so you can also give the subheading. Okay, just again you drag and drop this heading again under the heading option, make it as center. Give the heading as name as like learn how to post in Instagram. Okay, so just for an example, I'm giving this heading. Okay, Instagram. Then, so go to the style to change the color. Here, I like to use the black. Okay, I have chosen the black color. Go to the typography. Going to use Montestet. Here I'm using Montestet. Okay, so I'm giving the size 32. Can also edit 32. Okay, weight is okay. So you can see the some of the letters in small, the first letter is in small and some of them is in capital. If you want to make it even all the capitalized, what you can do is, can you see the options like transform? Click the default. You can use the capitalize. Okay, if you want to do the uppercase, you can also do that by using this. Click capitalize, it will capitalize the heading. Okay, so now you can give the subheading. Subheading can change any color. Okay, this is Montpasset. Since it is a subheading, so better the size of the font size should be smaller than the heading, right? So I am giving the size as 26 because the first heading is 32. Okay, subheading. Now I want to show some content with the bulletin points. What can I do? So go to the elements area. You have to choose this text editor element, drag and drop. Okay, some of the, you can give some description about this video. So this text editor is exactly the way where you can write a document using the Microsoft Word. Okay, if you give us like list 1, list 2, then if you want to show some bulletin points, to select give bulletin. Okay, here some of the description about this video. Okay, now you can feel the banner and this video session was very near. So if you want to give some space between the banner and the video section, what we can do is click this plus button and you can insert the section between the first one and the second current one. Okay, click the plus button, again click plus, insert the section single column. Okay, here I want to give the space, right? So you can see the option is like spacer, drag and drop the spacer. So now you can fix the pixels as like how much space you want by giving the pixels over there. So this is too much of space, the 50 is okay right now. Okay, so now we have completed how you can insert the video in the left hand side, in the right hand side, content of the video using the 2 columns of the section. Okay, next we can see how you can give the testimonials. Okay, click the section. So here, before giving the testimonials, drag and drop the testimonial element. Okay, what we can do is we can give the heading for this testimonial. So here you can give testimonials, make it center, get style, like blue color option, red. So what we can do, so what I told, we should give the same heading font size, right? So copy, paste style. So between this video session and this testimonial, so if you want to give the space, what you have to do, we have to insert the section, go to the element part, drag and drop the spacer, the 50 pixels is up. Okay, the next one, we are going to insert the testimonials. What we can do, I have inserted the single column section, go to the element area. Here you can see the testimonial element. Just drag and drop the testimonial element over here. If you want to display a single testimonial elements, you can leave as it is. Otherwise, if you want to show your customer reviews more than 3 or more than 4, what you can do, just duplicate this column. How you do that? Right click on the, can you see this square icon? So right click, hover the mouse over there, right click on that. Okay, you can see duplicate, click duplicate. Okay, the entire content will be duplicated in the second column. Okay, so again, if you want to duplicate, you can also duplicate. How many numbers you want to have the same copy, you can, using the duplicate option, you can duplicate the element. Okay, so now you can edit the content of your testimonials and the name of your user. You can give the photo profile of your customer and their designation or a LinkedIn profile, whatever it is. You can change the content according to your customer profile and the reviews. Okay, this is testimonial part is over. The next thing, we can see how we can give the services. I told, if you want to display the services of your services or product or projects you have completed, if you are a freelancing, you have completed projects, that latest projects you have completed for your client, you can also showcase there that content in the home page, right? So for that, what you can do is, if you want to show the services before this testimonial, so it is simple. How you can do that is like, just click the plus button, click this plus button again, click this section. Okay, go to the element area. So instead of dragging and dropping the element again, what you can do is, you just copy this element and right click on this plus button and give paste. Okay, the same content will be duplicated again. Okay, here I'm going to, now we don't want to apply any style because the same thing was replicated, right? So just changing the name is more than enough. Our services. Okay, so if you are a freelancing, if you are a coach, a consultant, you can also show your latest projects, latest services, the latest work you have completed with you for your customers. You can show that in this area. Okay, just changing the heading, you can show whatever you want. Okay, and again insert this plus button, click plus. Instead of giving this single column, if you want to, if you are showing three services, three services, if you want to display in the home page, you can directly choose these three columns. The three columns will be inserted directly. Can you see the three columns was inserted, right? You can also do in this way, or just I have explained, you can do the three columns by duplicating the same element. Okay, so in two different ways also you can do. It is up to you, the how you are designing your website or web page. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, just by clicking it, first I am going to add the image, because first I want to show the product or services of my image. Here I have some three examples to how you can insert your product or services. I have some three images, so I will insert and show you how you can do this. Okay, just click this image icon, click upload, select file. Okay, so these are the three courses or services. So here I have selected three master classes. Okay, for example, I have downloaded the three images. Okay, so if the images was already uploaded, you can see the uploaded images in the media library, or if the image is not uploaded, you are going to do a new upload. Where you want to go to is that upload files tab. So the image is uploaded already. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to select the image, insert media. Now the image is inserted. Okay, the image is inserted. The next thing is, I want to give the heading for this title for this services or product. Okay, so Arduino masterclass. Okay, make it a center, change the color. You can select whatever color you want. So it is in Roboto. I want to make all my content in font in Montserrat. Okay. Then also reduce the size to 24 because the main heading is 32. So since I'm reducing to smaller size, right? Take the transformers like capitalize. Okay. Now you can duplicate the same content. So it will duplicate. So as much as you can, if you want to show more than 3 products or 3 services in a single row also, you can do that. But if you have limited as like 3, it will be, the look and feel will be very neat. Okay. So I'm going to delete this column, right click, delete. Okay. So now it is much more clear. So you can change the image now. Choose the image, different image. Okay. And change the title. Change the title now. Okay. A masterclass. MATLAB A master. Okay. Now I am showing 3 different courses, right, under our services category. So now I have like to give the space in between this 2 section. So it is very easy. Just drag and drop the spacer in the section, right? Yes, we have done the banner, we have done the video section, we have inserted our services section and also the testimonial section. The last one is, so we are going to insert the map. So I have inserted the section, go and search the map, go to the elements area, click map. Okay, you can see the Google Maps, drag and drop the Google map. Okay, here you just change your location. I am from Chennai. Tamil Nadu, India. Okay, if you want to give exact location also, it is well and good. You can give over there. Okay, it will fetch the address and display the map. Okay, right? We have done with the map also. So here you can insert the space again. Go to the elements, drag and drop the space. That's it. Right? Now we have designed the home page. Right? It is easy, right? So what you have to do, you have to click the update. Okay. Now the page is published. You can preview this page by clicking this preview button. Click preview. It will take you to the preview of this home page. Okay. Okay, you can preview the page of the home page we have designed right now. Can you see? It's easy, right? We can easily by using drag and drop, by using the Elementor option, we can just drag and drop and we can design our home page very, very easily. It is nothing a rocket science. So each and every person can design your own home page. Okay. If you are interested, you can join the 3 days workshop on how to build your portfolio websites webinar, which will happen on every Friday, Thursday, and Saturday. It's a 3 days workshop. Weekly, I will be conducting this 3 day workshop. Okay. So if you want to join that workshop, in the below description, YouTube description, I have given the link. You can click the link and you can join in my webinar. If you have a doubt, who are all can join this workshop? So if you are a business owner, entrepreneur, coach, consultant, freelancer, student, whoever want to build their portfolio websites can join this workshop. It will be really, really useful for you to build your website alone in the minimal cost. Okay. So soon I can see you, all of you, in my 3 days webinar. Thank you.